Ji Assalamu alaikum. Today we are going to discuss about the reading part of HSK 3, HSK1. So we have a first part. Here we have to look at pictures and decide whether the given words are right or wrong based on what you read. So firstly we have an example. Firstly, example is a Tianshi television TV. So it's a laptop, so that's why it will be wrong. Then we have a fai into fly. Chi mean machine who fly. We call it an airplane in English, but we say in a Chinese fai chi, so that's why it's right. So next we have a number 13. This is a chung kwaran. Here you can see the hairstyle of a girl. It shows that she looks like an American, so that's why it will be wrong. So next we have number 14. It's a Laoshi. So here you can see that here are a number of students. So they are students, so we say Shoishan, but here in the word we see that Laoshi, so it will be wrong. So next in 15 we have our Ni Hao. Always remember, whenever a person greeting, they use Ni Hao in a Chinese, so it will be true. So next we have a 16, number 16. So Zai Chian mean goodbye, Allah Hafiz, so it will be a right. And in a 17, Shui Shang means student, it's a teacher, so it will be a wrong. So next we have a part 2. Read the questions and choose the right answer to each of them. Basically, on the left side there are the questions or the sentences which we have to match with the right side's answers. All of these are the answers. We have to, all of the sentences are reshuffled. Like if we say Ni Chao Shama means what's your name, so here we can find that E is the appropriate, so we can write E in the box. Like we say Ni Chao Shama means, and their answer will be a Wa Chao Lishin, my name is Lishin. So in next number 19, Nin Shir Lao Shima, are you a teacher? Next their answer will be a most appropriate answer will be a Shiv. Wa Shir Lao Shir, I am a teacher. Next number 20, Ni Hao, hello. Wa Chao Li Yue, my name is Li Yue. Always remember, whenever we greeting, like we say Assalamu alaikum, next person say Wa alaikum assalam. Same greetings are repeated. Same as when we say hello, answer will be hello. And same we say Ni Hao, and always remember answer will be a Ni Hao. This is also a clue for all of you. Wa Chao Li Yue, my name is Li Yue. So here we can see that in a C option, Ni Hao Wa Chao Tower, my name is David. So 20th answer will be a C. In 21 we have a Ni Shi Mai Kwaranma, are you an American? Ni Shi Mai Kwaranma, are you an American? So here we can see option A, they say Pushir, no, Washi Chung Kwaran, I am a Chinese. So next in 22, Ni Shir Shui Shangma, are you a student? We can add a B, like they say Wa Pushi Shui Shang, I am not a student. Wa Shir Lao Shir, I am a teacher. Wa Shir Lao Shir, I am a teacher. So it's all about the part 2. So next we have a part 3. In part 3, read the sentences and choose the right words to fill in the brackets. Here we have an options which we have to fill it. Firstly, we have an example. Ni Chao Shama. They already use the D, so we ignore it. We have Shama, what, she, Izema, who, no or not, ma, question mark. So in 23 question, Wa, Philip blank, she chung kwaran, Wa, she, mai kwaran. Always remember both not will be a same word. Like in the first verb, they are going to add up C, like who, wa, who shir chung Quran. I'm not a Chinese. Wa shir my Quran. I'm an American. Firstly, they make a negative sentence, then a positive sentence. Always remember, like whenever we're going to make a sentence, we use positive sentence and then negative sentence, or vice versa. So in our 24, nin shir lao shir, nin for a respect and honor, nin shir lao shir ma, and e will be a answer. So next we have a 25, tha chao shamma, shamma, a will be answer. Tha chao shamma, what's his name? Like we say, ni chao shamma means what's your name. Tha chao shamma means what's her or what's his name. So here in our character we can see tha mean he. Always remember tha have two character, like whenever this one character we say he for male, because the first part of the character also represents the male person, so we use he. And the second, here you can see the first part of the character represents the female new, so that's why this is a she. So you have to remember about the he and she, when will be he or she. So you can decide by writing a character or saying like this. So number 26, li shir chung kwaranna tha shir lao shir. So and B will be a most appropriate answer. So next we have a few more words. Number 27, Tawai, who shir lao shir. David is not a teacher. Tha shir, he is. If he is not a teacher, then definitely he will be opposite or negative. We can add a most appropriate G. Tha shir shweshan, he is a student. In 28, sheshye nin we use for a respectable person. So we can use lao shir, sheshye nin. So we can add the F here. In 29, we say Wapushi Chungparan. I am not a Chinese. Washi. Always remember, like we say, we firstly make a negative sentence by saying we are not a Chinese. Definitely we are going to ask something else. So we can add the I. Like we say, Washi Maikwaran, I am an American. Next in 23, Niman Hao. Hello for Niman Shir. Chung Kwa Shui Shangma. All of you are Chinese students. Shui Shang means student. Chung Kwa Shui Shang, Chinese student. We say Pakistani student, we say Pa Chi Si Than Shui Shang. Pakistani student. You see, meanwhile, we can say Fa Kwa Shui Shang, French student. So it's all about the lesson 3. HSK 3, lesson 3 reading part. So you have to complete it and read down the whole text and share the answers with me. And meanwhile, in next lessons, I only upload the listening part and the reading part. You have to solve by yourself, and I shall make a correction. So okay, best wishes for all of you.